Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the laptop so the recorder runs reliably. First, close heavy apps and notifications to avoid dropped frames. Next, open your recorder and grant camera and microphone permissions. This prevents interruptions mid-capture. Then select Inputs System Audio if you need app sounds, microphone for voiceover, and webcam only if picture-in-picture is required. Once done, pick a resolution and frame rate that matches your output goals so you don't overtax the machine during recording. Now you'll configure the detailed settings that affect quality and file size. Choose resolution and FPS, 30 for tutorials, 60 for smooth motion, and select a hardware encoder if available to save CPU. Decide whether to capture full screen, a specific window, or a custom region depending on focus. Make sure to enable separate audio tracks if you plan to edit later, and run a short test recording to verify levels and lip sync. If levels peak, lower mic gain or move the microphone slightly away. You're ready to record. Start with a brief countdown so you can position windows and prepare speaking points, then press record and perform your session. When finished, stop recording and save the file to an SSD or spacious drive using clear file names and tags for easy retrieval. If playback shows stutter or audio drift, make sure to close background apps, reduce frame rate, or switch to a hardware encoder. If problems persist, reboot and retest settings before re-recording to avoid wasted time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.